I filmed this many times before, obviously.
So this is the West Economy Garage?
Yes,
Right.
formerly the Terminal 2 garage. Let's go to 1, then get off at 2.
Okay. We got somebody going down with us here.
Good morning.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome. Now let's switch sides. Get off at 2.
I don't know why they added that third button there.
Yeah, I doubt there was ever a 3rd floor.
To be honest, this thing's really not that trashy, to be honest. I mean, this elevator's okay. I mean, I like how they kept this original, that's the bottom line.
Oh, for sure. That's it.
You know, for the other elevator.
No, stop.